When reviewing the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, one of the first aspects to consider is its display and build quality. The device features a large, high-resolution screen with an adaptive refresh rate that ensures smooth animations and crisp visuals. Brightness levels are strong, making it usable even in direct sunlight, while the choice of premium glass and frame materials provides durability and a high-end feel. Because this is an XL-sized phone, weight and ergonomics are also worth noting. Testing how comfortable it is to hold and use with one hand is important for a realistic review. When reviewing the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, one of the first aspects to consider is its display and build quality. The device features a large, high-resolution screen with an adaptive refresh rate that ensures smooth animations and crisp visuals. Brightness levels are strong, making it usable even in direct sunlight, while the choice of premium glass and frame materials provides durability and a high-end feel. Because this is an XL-sized phone, weight and ergonomics are also worth noting. Testing how comfortable it is to hold and use with one hand is important for a realistic review. Next, let's examine performance. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is powered by Google's Tensor G5 chipset, which handles daily tasks with ease and supports multitasking without noticeable lag. When reviewing, it's essential to test heavy-duty tasks such as gaming, video editing, or intensive apps to check for any performance throttling or heat buildup. The combination of RAM and storage also affects responsiveness, especially during prolonged use, so these aspects should be evaluated carefully. Battery and charging are critical factors for any flagship, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL does not disappoint in terms of capacity. With one of Google's largest batteries yet, the device can often last a full day or more under mixed usage. Testing screen on time gives a clear idea of daily endurance, while evaluating both wired and wireless charging speeds. Especially the new magnetic accessory system helps gauge convenience. Long-term battery health and how the device performs after repeated charging cycles are also key considerations. No Pixel review would be complete without exploring the camera system. The Pixel 10 Pro XL has a versatile triple camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and 5x telephoto zoom. A comprehensive review should test photography in various lighting conditions, such as daylight, low light, and high contrast scenarios. Pay attention to color accuracy, detail, and dynamic range, as well as how AI features enhance images. Video recording should also be evaluated, including stabilization, frame rates, and audio quality, since mic placement can sometimes affect sound in landscape mode. Moving on to software and features. The Pixel 10 Pro XL runs the latest version of Android with Google's clean interface and several AI-powered enhancements. Assess the overall OS experience, stability, and practicality of features like smart photo editing, real-time translation, or predictive typing. Longevity is another major advantage. Google promises years of OS and security updates, making this a device that can stay current for a long time. Connectivity and extras are another important consideration. The Pixel 10 Pro XL supports 5G across multiple bands, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, NFC, and UWB features. Check how well these functions work in real-world use. Also, evaluate stereo speakers, haptic feedback, and other sensors that enhance usability. Features like reverse wireless charging or magnetic accessory compatibility may also affect your overall experience. Finally, consider the overall value and real-world use. Beyond raw specs, how does the device perform in everyday scenarios such as streaming, multitasking, photography, or gaming? While its large size can be cumbersome for some users, the combination of a high-end display, versatile camera, long software support, and innovative features often justifies the price. Comparing it with similarly priced flagship competitors can help highlight where it excels and where it may lag. That wraps up our detailed look at the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL here on Spec Dossier. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an in-depth tech analysis. Let us know in the comments what features matter most to you, and we'll continue bringing you the insights that make your tech decisions easier.